you recording me?
No, you got here a little bit too early, but now I am.
Good morning. Ready to go get some free pancakes?
I'm not gonna give you anything right now.
Come on! Come here, crazy dogs. Are you ready for some free pancakes?
Pancakes!
Yeah!
Just a moment.
Here you go. Pre-pancakes?
And that's not pancakes.
It's pre-pancakes.
Oh, pre-pancakes.
Yeah, you're pre-gaming it.
Thank you. That looks yummy. So what is that?
Cream cheese and eggs and mushrooms. And
Ooh.
a really sweet slice of bread.
Awesome.
Dave's killer bread.
Dang it, you're blurry. Hold that. Thanks. Can you see yourself?
No.
So a bunch of people are getting together because we're all gonna go eat some pancakes. Oh, by the way, that sandwich Seth just gave me was yummy. But yeah, I still am hungry because it was only half a sandwich, and you know, I eat a lot because I'm a pig like that. But anyways, yeah, a bunch of people are getting together and we're gonna all go eat some pancakes, free pancakes, and yep, Seth's going with me. And there's some guys over there going. Actually, they're just gonna go to the dog park. They're not gonna eat. And then Randy's gonna go, Danny's gonna go, Romeo's gonna go. And then over there, the family's gonna go. And also, Terry and Scott are gonna go right next to me. And then there's also some more going. Helicopter! Wow, that's a big helicopter.
It looks so tiny, but up close it's big.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, Banjo. What you doing? You wiggling his tail? How are y'all doing today?
Good.
Well, y'all ready to go get some pancakes?
Yes, I'm eating a cheeseburger.
Oh, because you don't like pancakes. Okay.
I already ate, but we're about ready now.
Okay, cool. So did Bex and Romeo already leave?
Looks like it.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and get going, I guess.
Cool. Onwards and out.
Yeah. Come on, Seth. Luna, stop it. Yeah, we're ready. Let's go. Alright, so a few of us have already left, and we are going now. I have... Hey, stop it.
Dog fight in the car.
Yeah, I have a dog fight. Seth, yeah, could you? Alright, thank you. Alright, let's get going. So, like I said earlier, we're gonna go have some free pancakes. Yay, free pancakes. Sorry about that little smoke. Awesome, bye! Hello? Okay.
I'm inside the belly of the beast.
Really?
The Pandamonium. I was just driving. I don't know if we'll make it. It's got kind of crazy.
You're very dramatic. Okay. So, anyways, we will see you up the road.
It's like 11:30 and it was like 11:20.
So we have picked up a hitchhiker. Say hey, Ren.
Hi, Ren.
Alright, time to go to the beach, have some pancakes. Dun dun dun. Alright, clear, clear. Okay, so we made it here and we're getting ready to go get some free pancakes in that direction. There is the tent with free pancakes. Definitely a beautiful day today. at a beautiful place. Are you going swimming?
Maybe.
Yay! It's a beautiful area for it.
Yeah, it's really cold.
Yeah. Is it cold? Yeah. It's a nice hot day, so.
That's a boatload.
Oh, yeah.
Those boats, we were down here, and these things have supercharged engines in them. When they had the hydro races.
Uh-oh, somebody got away. Oh.
Turbocharged engine.
You're welcome. Bye.
And we'll get pancakes.
All right, thanks, y'all.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks for taking the
Dog
dog.
sitters.
We haven't had any hours yet.
Oh, good.
But just for saying you're safe. We're pretty small. Do you want two?
Oh,
Three?
two's perfect. Thank you so much.
Hi,
Hello.
I want some butter on there.
Sure.
Are you a foodie? Are you taking pictures
I
of your
am a
food?
foodie. Thank you.
Syrup?
Oh, yeah, sure.
We have peanut butter too.
Oh, yeah. Peanut butter's good.
Peanut butter good? Is that good?
Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, yeah, can I have a little peanut butter? I can.
Smooth or cream?
Smooth is good, yeah.
Works for me. Yep.
Oops, thank you so much.
Do you want more?
Nope, that should be
good.
perfect.
All right.
Thanks.
That one.
Hey, girl.
And then Mama's right there.
Hey, y'all.
You amazed how long?
I bet you. I know it'll float.
Wait a minute.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, they have peanut butter. Peanut butter. What's the point if you can't enjoy life?
There is no point to it.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna go get a pancake.
Okay, you go, girl. Thank you.
Come on, Scotty, let's go get a pancake.
I don't want to let go of Luna yet.
Time to dig into the delicious pancakes. Yummy pancakes. So good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
They should have had my GoPro. But you know what?
Go party. Go party. Go party.
Yeah. You don't drag your fingers around, then you look like, I don't know what I'm doing.
Why? I would not push you in the water.
Get your feeties in there.
I am. Look at the ducks. Hey, pancake taxi.
Nice.
No, it's freezing cold. The water's freezing cold down there.
It
Oh
is
my god.
not freezing
It
cold.
is free.
So nice.
Take your shoes off and try it.
I have shoes on.
Oh, okay. All right. Anyways, the pancakes were awesome. It's a really good thing that they do. They always do this every year. It's not even donation based or anything. They just like to give away free pancakes to anybody who wants them, which is super cool. And they actually just got a whole tub of pancake syrup, a real maple syrup that someone sent them. So that was awesome.
Eat duck shots, do you?
Yes.
Kind of boring.
Look at Luna.
Shots.
Crazy. Luna.
Copper Canyon Lighthouse Tour.
Oh, it's cruises.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So we're getting ready to head over to the dog park since it is in this area.
Yeah.
What kind of tree is that, anyways?
It wouldn't be bad for me.
I don't even know.
That is, I can't.
Arizona birch with no bark.
Oh, cool.
Arizona birch with no bark.
That's pretty.
See the bark's all down the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Come on, people.
We're coming. We're strolling down the canal.
We're all crazy.
You're what? What are you doing?
I said people filming people filming people.
I know, right?
I know.
Oh, you don't want it? Or no. Do you want me to carry something else?
Look at that. His head is as big as Banjo.
Oh my gosh.
Moo-moo's like, I can't be bothered. I'm going to smell stuff over here.
It's just fleeting.
Rubber ducky, rubber ducky.
Get rid of
You
my
don't have
permanent
any. You
socks.
barely have one.
No, he is not wearing socks. He's actually, yeah, that's his tan
No,
line.
Audrey has some too.
Hey,
I made her
Puddin'.
expose it.
Look, it's Attack of Cujo.
Aren't you cute?
Look, Moo-moo, we made it to the dog park. Stay, good girl. All right, go inside. Wow.
Leash, not leash, but leash.
Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Time to relax on a bench and let Moo-moo play. So much for relaxing. Crazy woman. Charlie! No humping other dogs on the face, please. Good boy. Moo-moo, come here. Go chase the fake ball. Moo-moo, come here. Come on, go get it. Go get it. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Go get it. She did it. She's mounting. She's like, where'd it go? It's so invisible I can't see it.
Luna.
Thinks it's in the tree.
Go get it. See, she's not gonna fall for it.
I love her little excited like your dogs run around.
What?
You're
Spit it out, lady.
hogging up the whole place.
You mean this bench? That there's plenty of room right next to me?
Seth just left.
I don't know what you're talking about. Come on, sit down.
I can pick up my book.
I know. I'm gonna need you to stop dropping things, please.
My Bible.
So, do you like the dog park?
No. I'm just kidding. Yes. It's bigger than I've seen.
What? I can't hear you. Look at, he's doing it again. Charlie, no humping the dog's face.
Boy, look at how excited he is.
Just let him get it. Just let him. He's like, I'm gonna hump your face.
Trampled, Charlie.
You can get hurt.
Yeah, boy.
Shake it off.
Going for more?
Look it, it's the Moo-moo cam. Go Moo-moo, good girl. Hold on.
Girl.
Come on, Moo-moo Cam.
Go Moo-moo, go, come on. She's like, this Moo-moo cam is not working out for me. Yeah.
It is totally inside.
Come on,
Go.
She's like, no.
Oh no. She's like, get this octopus off me.
Come on, Luna.
Good job. Oh, almost. I think they got it. Go, go. That's gonna be the craziest cam ever. Lunatic. Yeah, no, it's done. It's done.
Got some drool on it. All right, come here.
Hi, cutie. What you doing, cutie? What you doing, honey? Yeah, she's so soft like a pillow. She's soft like a pillow. Go get it.
Get up Moo-moo's butt.
He's like, I just tried to lick your butt, sorry. Be nice. Don't you dare, Moo-moo.
In the cosmic mirror, all the world is so